So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your environment variable inside of Bun. So let's get started. If you're looking to get a 20% discount on Hostinger, then use the referral code in the description below, or go to the Hostinger website, and in the website URL, add question mark, referral code is equal to swebdev, and press enter. The code will be applied on checkout. So let's continue with the rest of the video. So here you just need to create a .env file or .env.local file, and then create a variable called something like this, wdata, and then in this you can just add a variable like, for example, this, and then here you can get it like this. So save this, and as you can see, I'm getting some data. Okay, you can then go in here, just change this like so, and then refresh. Oh, it doesn't reload everything, so you need to cancel first, and then run this again, and then now refresh, and as you can see, you're getting the environment variable. So this is a very short tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.